Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete video playlist on MX Player. So let's get started. Firstly, open MX Player app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on video playlist. Then find the playlist which you want to delete. Next tap on three dot icon. Next you can see the option of delete. Tap on it. Next tap on delete. So this is how you can delete video playlist on MX Player. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.